Hello, good morning, students. So, welcome to the maths class. Now, today we are going to discuss a new concept. It's called as a mensuration. 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 What is mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometrical figures and their lengths perimeters, volumes, shapes, lateral surface area, etc. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometrical figures and the perimeters like length, what is that one? Length is lateral surface area, surface area, total surface area, volume, all this. Okay, mensuration is a branch of mathematics which studies about the geometrical figures whose lengths, perimeters, areas, lateral surface areas, volumes, all these things. In this one also there are two types of figures we will discuss: two-dimensional figures and three-dimensional figures. Already two-dimensional figures you learned in previous classes. Now you are going to discuss about the three-dimensional figures. What is three-dimensional figures? Figures which have a length, breadth and height. Figures which have a three dimensions. Previous you learned about a length and breadth only. Now here the height also, depth also. Height is nothing but depth. Okay, such type of figures. Okay, three-dimensional figures. Those three-dimensional figures also known as a solid figures. What is a solid object? The objects having a definite shape and size are called solids. What is a solid? Solid is an objects which have a definite shapes and size are called solids. Definite shape and size are called solids. The objects which are in definite shape and their size also those objects are called solids. Like in daily usage, a glass, a water bottle, okay, a bowl, those are all solid which have a proper shape and size also is there. Okay, matchbox, a duster, okay, a chalk box, geometrical box, okay, a pen, okay, textbook, notebook. These are all solid figures only. They have a proper shape and size. Okay, in that solid shapes here, three-dimensional solids are, they have the length, breadth and height. These are the three dimensions. Means generally two-dimensional figures you can draw on a paper or anywhere by taking the x-axis and y-axis. You can draw the figures. But the three-dimensional figures you need the one more axis, imaginary axis, z-axis. One more imaginary axis will take and will draw those one. Okay, this is a cuboid which is a length, breadth and height inside. We will imagine one of the length is, one of the measurement is, dimension is, we have to imagine that with the help of the imaginary axis, z-axis. Okay. So, what is a mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometrical figures and their perimeters like length, volume, shape, surface areas and lateral surface areas. Shapes, surface areas, lateral surface areas. Okay, just mensuration is the branch of mathematics branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometrical figures. Geometric figures. FIGURES. That studies the geometric figures and their perimeters like length, volume, shapes, surface areas, surfaces, length, volume, shape, surface area, lateral surface area, LSM is lateral surface area, etc. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometric figures and their perimeters like length, volume, shape, surface area, lateral surface area, etc. These are all comes under in solid figures. What is a solid figure? Solid figure is an object which has a definite shape and size. Solid figures are the objects. Solid is nothing but the object which has a definite shape and size is called as a solid. Okay. Okay. So, solid definition of spider. The solid is an object. The object having definite shape, and size is called solid. Okay. If required, I write the objects which have having definite shapes and sizes are called solids. Solids occupy some space. Solid occupies space. A definite space. Your classroom also in a solid shape only it is. Cuboid shape or cube shape it will be. Because length, breadth and height. It has a three-dimensional figure. Length, breadth and the height of the classroom. Okay. To draw a solid figures, three-dimensional figures, we need the three-dimensional length. sorry, x axis, y axis, and imaginary axis z. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with the studies of the measurement of geometrical figures and their parameters like length, volume, shape, surface area, lateral surface area, etc. The objects having a definite shapes and size are called solid figures. Objects which are in definite shape and size are called solid figures. A solid occupies a definite space. Solid occupies a definite space. Okay. In this one, solids, proper solids shapes are taken here. I'll write the formulas at once only. Better you to write those all formulas. Solid occupies a definite space. First solid is cuboid. Cuboid is generally, everyone knows that one. Your classroom, some classrooms are cuboid shape, maybe some are cube shape ones. Better idea is a matchbox. Matchbox you take, see, that will be definitely cuboid shape only. Or your notebook, it is also cuboid shape only. So cuboid. Length, breadth and height. 3 dimensions. Length, breadth and height. Cuboid has a, assume that just a second. I'll get it. See here, your textbook only. It is in the shape of a cuboid. Cuboid has, see here, cuboid is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one back. 6 faces. And 1, 2 edges, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. Yeah, sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. How many faces a cuboid has? A 6 faces, 12 edges. Okay, 8 vertices. In these one, this face and this face are same. 2 faces are equal. And this face and this face are equal. This face and this face are equal. Okay, understood? Now cuboid here, your classroom. So generally this is a cuboid, one face only you take. It is in the shape of a rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So length, breadth, length into, sorry, area of the rectangle is length into breadth. In the same way here also length into breadth. Okay. Now here this becomes as a length, breadth becomes as a length, and height becomes as a breadth becomes as a length and height becomes as a breadth. Means b into h. So in the same way b into h. This face you take length l into h. So here also l into h. So total in any classroom. You take your classroom only, wherever you said, that room only you take. That will be, most of the rooms are in cuboid shape only. Most of the rooms are cuboid shape only. So, the floor where you are sitting, where your child is, you are using the floor. In that one side length, one side breadth you take. Area of the floor is equal to length into breadth. Same area roof also will be. Okay, and the area of this wall, length into height, and the same to opposite direction, length into height, and this side area, this side wall area, breadth into height. In the same way, this side wall area, breadth into height. Means this four walls, area of the four walls cuboid is also known as a lateral surface area. Why we call it as a lateral surface area? Because that is made with the line segments. Okay, understood? So area of the four walls, area of the four walls, area of the four walls means this one, and this one, this one. Okay, means B into H, L into H, B into H, L into H. Means area of four walls, area of four walls, also known as area of lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area, lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to four walls means this four. Okay, length into height, L into H, and here also length into height plus L into H, and here breadth into height, B into H. Again here also breadth into height, B into H. Means 2LH plus 2BH. Now if I take 2H common, L plus B I get. If I take 2H common, L plus B, 2H into L plus B. Area of four walls or lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B. So this is the formula derivation. So I can't show you the exact practically I can't show you, but you imagine wherever you are sitting in your rooms, that rooms four walls, this wall and this opposite wall area are same. So since this is length, this height LH, same LH. Left side wall is breadth and height, rectangle area only. This also breadth and height, 2 times of BH. So 2LH into 2LH plus 2BH, 2H if you take common, 2H into L plus B. This is area of four walls are lateral surface area, 2H into L plus B. Always areas will be in square units, volumes will be in cubic units. Now next one is a total surface area. Means area of four walls and area of the floor, and area of the roof area and floor area also consider. Then you will get the area of four walls. Yes, total surface area. Okay, total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid, that is a TSA. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to LH, LH, BH, BH, and L into B. This also L into B. Means 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB. If I take 2 common, LB plus BH plus HL. This is a TSA of a cuboid. Directly right here. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Okay, total surface area means area of the four walls plus area the floor plus area of the roof. Now, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Volume of any volume is a volume of any object volume is area of the floor into height formula always. When you don't know that formula, exact figure, shape, whatever the figure you are finding, object volume you are finding, area of the floor into height formula. Now area of the floor is L into B and height is H. So volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So volume will be in cubic units. Volume will be in cubic units. Now diagonal of a cuboid. Diagonal of a cuboid means this corner to the top corner. That is diagonal. While finding, when you join the top corner to this corner, when you draw a line here, then you will get a one right angle triangle will get. In that right angle triangle, this diagonal is L into B. Sorry, L. Okay. So L square plus B square and H square, that is. So diagonal of a cuboid is equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. This is only length, so units. Diagonal of a cuboid is equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. Okay. Area of four walls or lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2H into L plus B square units. Total surface area means area of four walls plus area of the floor, roof plus area of the floor. That is nothing but a 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Volume of a cuboid, any object volume, while finding area of the base into height. Area of the base is L into B into H. Now diagonal of a cuboid, this corner to this corner. Here, this is L square plus B square will get plus H square. Because when you join this one here, one right angle triangle will get. Okay. So L square plus B square plus H square. Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. This is plus this one. Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of a cuboid. Now what is cube? If any cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal, that solid is called as a cube. Here I am discussing about a cube. In cube, L, B and H all are equal. All are equal. All are equal. See here. So here length, breadth and height all are equal. So same formulas which you used in cuboid, same only, but here LSA of a cube, lateral surface area of a cube, it is also nothing but a area of four walls. Area of four walls is equal to, what is cuboid LSA? 2H into L plus B. Already we know. So here length, breadth, height are equal in cube. So 2L into L plus L, that is a 2L into L plus L is 2L, that is equal to 4L square. 4L square. 4L square. Now TSA, total surface area of cube. Total surface area of a cube. What is cuboid total surface area? 2LB plus BH plus HL. Here LBH are same. So 2 into L and L square, because in the place of B I am substituting L, in the place of H also L. L square plus L square, 2 into L square, 3L square, that equal to 3 is 6L square. Okay, 6L square. Now diagonal of the volume of a cube. Volume of cube. Volume of a cube is equal to, what is area of the volume? Volume of a cube are L into B into H. So L into B also L substitute, H also L. L cube. L cube. Volume will be in cubic units and the area will be in square units. Diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of cube. Root L square plus L square plus L square. That is equal to root 3 L square. Can be written as a root 3 into L. Root 3 into L units. Okay, this is about the cube. Previous one, cuboid. Y in cube, L, D, H, R are same in cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are same is known as a cube. Area of 4 walls are LSA, lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4L square. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. Volume of a cube is equal to L cube. Diagonal of a cube is equal to root 3 into L. Okay, this is about a cube. Next, curved surface area, about sphere, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere. I'll discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.